In this section, how to start your family history research, we really get into the meat of the course. The most common question I get asked as a tutor is, how do I start my family history research? Where do I start? Give me some clues, Robert. We'll cover this off in this section shortly. We'll also look at how to record the information you start to find in your family history. And that's going to be really important because the longer you research, the more information you're going to gather, and organising that information is going to be really crucial. We'll then look at recording information from family members, the do's and don'ts to make that the most of that opportunity. So it's a really good section, this one. We're starting out where to research and giving you lots of tips and techniques for getting started. So I hope you enjoy this section as well.